What's up everyone, it's Bobby here at ThunderMax Tech Support. Today we're going to be going over a issue that a lot of you may be aware of that involves the coil and the coil wire plug-in on the 2023.5 and up touring platforms. Alright everybody, so as most of you may be aware of by now, there is an issue with the factory coil plug-in connection on the 2023.5 and up touring bikes. What you'll see is from the factory where the connector plugs into the coil is there's a zip tie that holds that coil wire together, and it's basically got it pinched off, kind of like a water hose, and it puts it in a real tight position, which we have seen and others have noticed as well, causing damage to the wires pulling out of the pins on the plug-in, or chafing, or just general strain on that plug-in itself. And with that, some symptoms people have noticed is the bike operating and running on one cylinder. That's the most common thing that everyone has seen. So if you've got a new bike and you have not, go to the left side of your bike, behind your coil, and check that wire to see if the zip tie is still in place. If the zip tie is still in place, go ahead, clip that zip tie off. That's going to kind of relax that wire plug-in connection going into the coil. You can also go further by unplugging it, kind of pulling the sheathing back, inspecting your wires to see that if you have any pins that have maybe been pulled out due to that tightness from the factory. So if you haven't done it yet, go ahead, clip that zip tie off, make sure that that coil wire connection isn't in a bind and doesn't cause you any issues down the road. So if you got any more questions, please contact us at ThunderMax Tech Support.